Okay, next problem is of draw the direct form 1 and direct form 2 implementation for the system described by here a different equation is given, that is y of n plus 1 by 4 y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 8 y of n minus 2, that is equal to x of n plus x of n minus 1. Here a equation is given. From this equation we have to find what is direct form 1 and direct form 2. When you are going for any of the equation, the equation what is given, if they asked to do of direct form 1 and direct form 2, what you have to do, first you write the equation in terms of y of n. Keep this in mind. First you have to, that I am going for a solution, okay. First you have to write equation in terms of y of n, that is y of n means these two terms will go into in the RHS side. So what I can write here, y of n is equals to x of n, okay, plus x of n minus 1 then if I shift these two terms here it will be getting as minus 1 by 4 y of n minus 1, right, then plus 1 by 8 y of n minus 2. Okay, this point you have to remember. For any of the problem, if they given the equation, first you have to write in terms of y of n or else y of t equation. Okay, in terms of continuous, in terms of discrete. After this, what you have to do, just compare the equation with the standard one. The standard is of this direct form 1, right? If I go for the equation here is our equation. Here y of n, that is b naught x of n, b1 x of n minus 1 plus b2 x of n minus 2, it's going on. Then minus, observe here, minus a1 y of n minus 1 minus a2 y of n minus 2, right? Here what it is taken. Well, where is our direct form 1? Here. Observe here minus a1 minus a2. When you are writing in the standard form, we can write the coefficient values in the proper fashion. For that reason, I am telling you to write in terms of y of n. Okay, after this what you have to do? Then this is our input, x of n input we are going for. Here, what is our b naught? B naught in the standard form, right? In the standard form, sorry, a naught, right? For x of n, a naught, a1, a2. Am I confusing? Here you just go with this will be easy for you. Okay, b naught, b1, b2 means b naught here is of what, in terms of our equation it will be 1. b1 is of what in our based on our equation, where is here, that is also 1, right? Then b naught, b1, this is a naught, a1. Okay, a naught, a1. Okay, this is you represent the direct form 1 like this. The second one is for the reduction purpose, how the we can combine the delay functions. Okay, don't get confused. If you are proper with that, you can go for that, or else use this method. Whenever whatever you use, it will be correct only. Okay, then x of n, first coefficient is of what, it is 1 only. You can write that 1, or else if you are writing directly means it is indicating that it is 1. Okay, a naught is of, sorry, b naught is of 1. Then x of n is delayed by how many times here? N minus 1 means 1 time. So use of your shift box. Okay, that is yes. Okay, then what is the coefficient value here? Means the constant value is of again 1. So 1 you will be writing. Then this output it's giving for the one more summation, and y of n is shifted by y of n minus 1 means one time. Y of n minus 1 shifted by one position with the coefficient value. Here it is of what? Observe here the sign minus 1 by 4. You have to write as it is. If I go here, here plus 1 by 4 will get. Don't get confused for that. After shifting means after writing in the RHS term, you have to take that sign value means minus 1 by 4. Then the second last term is of our output y of n, it shifted by 2 position. For that reason, 2 shift operations with a constant coefficient is of 1 by 8. Then we should add here and then give the direction. You will be getting your y2. This is your direct form 1. In the same way, direct form 2. What is direct form 2? It is replacing of these terms. First we will be writing of here as b0 b1 b2, here a0 a1 a2, but here we will be writing as a0 a1, then of this b0 value. Okay, if I go for the direct form 2, here a minus a1 a minus a2, a0 is the not there. Okay, minus a1 a2 b0 b1 b2 b3. Okay, same thing here it is writing. What is the coefficient? Here it is of minus a1 is of 1 by minus 1 by 4, then 1 by 8, summation 2 shift registers. Then for x of n only one shift register is enough, so one shift register come out, then go for the one summation. Same as the standard form. If you fix you properly observe for the standard, it will be easy. What you have to do, just you write your coefficient values, that is b0 b1 b2 and a1 a2 a3. That's it. Okay, draw for this will be your direct form 2. Each question it will be asking for sometimes 6 marks or else sometimes 8 marks question. Directly it will be asking. Okay, next find the difference equation corresponding to the block diagram. Here a block diagram is given. Okay, here a feedback, here it is taken as minus 1 by 4, here 1 by 4, 2 shift registers are used and 2 summations are there. This is what. Then we are going to take the intermediate signal as we solved in the previously the problem like this. Okay, here a of n, here it is taken, and here a of n minus 1 shifted by one position. Next a of n is of what? Based on the diagram, what I can write? X of n minus 1 by 4 a of n minus 1. Observe here the output what I am getting, a of n minus 1. Then y of n is going to be a of n minus 2, because here you will be getting as a of n minus 1. After one more delay you will be getting as a of n minus 2, right? Then y of n is equals to, directly it's going for directly. Okay, then a of n minus 2 plus 1 by 4. Observe here y of n is delayed by one position till it's going for it's we should not take the feedback when I am going to take the first parameter here. After that you go for the feedback. For that reason 1 by 4 y of n minus 1. Then what is our a of n minus 1? It's going to be, now I am defining in terms of x of n. Okay, x of n minus 1 minus 1 by 4 a of n minus 2. Then what is our a of n minus 2? That is going to be shifted by input signal, that is for first and second. Okay, x of n minus 2 minus 1 by 4 a of n minus 3. N minus 3 means fully output. Okay, that is what here it is taken. Then solve for the equation. From equation 2, a of n minus 2, here is going to be y of n minus 1 by 4 y of n minus 1. Then a of n minus 3 is equals to y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 4 times y of n minus 2 in terms of y. Okay, then if we solve for this, we will be getting as we want in terms of y of n. Y of n is equals to x of n minus 2 minus 1 by 4 a of n minus 3 plus 1 by 4 y of n minus 1. Then substitute for n minus 3 value, a of n minus 3. That is y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 4 y of n minus 2. Solve for this. You will be getting as y of n is equals to x of n minus 2 plus 1 by 16 y of n minus 2. In terms of writing in terms y terms another side and x terms one side, I will be getting as y of n minus 1 by 16 y of n minus 2 is equals to x of n minus 2. This is very important. All the problems are important. This question is asked in the exam. Once you just go through this, you will be getting of this. Then next problem here, it is given as sketch the direct form 1 and direct form 2 implementation for the difference equation. Here the equation is given y of n plus 1 by 2 y of n minus 1 minus y of n minus 3 is equal to 3x of n minus 1 plus 2x of n minus 2. Okay. First thing what you have to do, first you have to write the given equation in terms of y of n. What is y of n is going to be 3 into x of n minus 1 plus 2 into x of n minus 2. Then shift these to the RHS. We will getting as minus 1 by 2 y of n minus 1, right? Then plus y of n minus 3 you will get, right? So here our b naught is not there, right? B naught is not given, means it will be 0. For that reason, observe here, we should go for one line, right? Then we are going for summation, but here it is 0 value. For that reason, it is not drawn. Directly our x of n signal is shifted by one position, means next value we are going to consider, that is x of n minus 1. For this, what is the coefficient value? It is of 3. Actually the constant values we call as a coefficient value. Okay, 3 that you have to write here. Then second term is of 2 plus 2. Signs are very important, plus or minus. Okay, 2 x of n minus 2, x minus n minus 1, then here x of n minus 2 will get. Then what about our a1 a2? Here minus 1 by 2 is there, right? Shift signal y of n minus 1 by 2. Then observe here, you are not getting y of n minus 2, you are getting n minus 3, means y of n signal it has to shift by 3 position. Up to this you will be getting as y of n minus 1, here y of n minus 2. You should not go for coefficient here, it's not given for us, for that reason. Next, one more delay you choose, then you will be getting as y of n minus 3. What is the coefficient value here? Means the constant value is of 1. For that reason, take 1 plus 1, remember that. Take that and take the summation. This is your direct form 1. Direct form 2 is of what? Simple. Just combining of these two. Direct form 2 means just minus 1 by 2, 1, right? 3 shift registers. Then x of n, it has to be shifted by 1, right? Shifted by 1, then 3, 2. One more summation, you will be getting your output as y of n. This is your direct form 2. If you know standard, it will be easy. That just you write your b0, b1, a0, sorry, a1 here, a1, a2, b0 is not there, b1, b2. Okay, this is in terms of problems in terms of difference equation, means for the discrete time. Next we will solve for the continuous time. Just what it is given, by converting the differential equation to the integral equation, direct form 1 and direct form 2 implementations for the system. What is the system here? It is given dy of t divided by dt plus 5 into y of t is equal to 3x of t. The equation it is given in terms of differential, but what we require, it is in terms of a integration. For that reason, we have to integrate both the side. If I integrate, what I will be getting? I will be getting as y of t plus 5 y dash of t is equal to 3x dash of t, means integrated by one position. If it is of two integrations, means x of double dash of t. Okay, it depends how it is given. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to write the equation in terms of y of t. Then you will be getting as 3x dash of t minus 5 y dash of t you will be getting. Then direct form 1, what is the direct form 1 in the standard equation is of here is the direct form 1 and direct form 2. X of t, b here observe here order is reversed, b naught b1 b2, here minus a naught a1. Observe here you will be getting as minus a naught. I am stressing this, don't get confused. Okay, here combining of this you will be getting as direct form 2. We will go with the problem now. Where is our problem? Here what is the term here it is given? That is 3x dash, means one time it is integrated. X of t one time integrated means one integration symbol, right? Integration x dash of t, what is the constant value? 3. That has to be summed. Then here only two terms are there, means y dash x dash and y dash. Y dash of t means it has to be integrated by one position, one time, that is integration. What is the value here? Minus 5. You have to sum, you will be getting your output. This is your direct form 1. What about direct form 2? Instead of going for 2 integration, combining to 1. Okay, x of t 1 integration, here you will be getting as, this is our a term, right? Minus 5 and b is of 3. Observe here we don't have the other parameter, here it will be 0. For that reason it will be 0. Give to that to the output, you will be getting as y of t. If you remember the standard form, then it will be easy for you. This is standard form. Okay, b1 b2 b1 b naught a1 a naught. Okay, then in the same way we will go for the one more problem. Here draw the direct form 1 and direct form 2 implementation for the system. Here the equation is given as d square y of t divided by dt square plus 5 dy of t divided by dt plus 4 y of t is equal to dx of t divided by dt. Here it is given. Next, what we have to do here, based on the degree how much is there. Okay, here 2 is there, right? That many times you have to integrate. For that reason integrating twice on both side. If I integrate, what I will get? Y of t plus 5, one differentiation is there, so y dash of t plus here nothing is there, means differentiation is not there, means it's going for 2 times y2 or t. You can write double dash or else 2. 2 it will be easy for you to remember. Okay, y2 of t is equals to only one term is there, so x dash of t you will be getting. Next what you have to do, we have to write in terms of y of t, that is equals to x dash of t minus 5 y dash of t minus 4 y2 of t. Okay, then what is our direct form 1? Here it will be b, here only once it is integrated, means only one time integration x of t integrated by one time. What is the coefficient value? Here it is of 1, so 1 you have to write, take the summation, then y of t is integrated by 2 times, 1 and 2, right? So y of t integrated by one time, then you will be getting as y dash of t, here you will be getting as y 1 times of t or else y dash of t. Okay, what is the coefficient value? Minus 5, here minus 4, so from this you will be getting as y2 of t So minus 4 you will get. Then give the feedback and you will be getting your output y of t. Then combine those. It is almost similar to the what we solved in the previous one. Just combine of these and changing the coefficient values. Same thing, minus 5, minus 4. Here 1, only 1 you take, you will be getting off. This is your diagram form 2. Okay.